Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video, and in this video I will show you how to remove an image background. So let's open our Photoshop app, and here as you can see I have an image opened. But what can I do to remove its background? Well, it's really simple. First, you have to notice that there's a padlock icon at the end of it. Click on that to unlock a layer. And now go to your sidebar, hover over the Object Selection tool, and then click the right mouse button. Select Magic Wand, and then click on your image. Here, as you can see, that the selection is very messy, but it usually works on a solid background. If you're not really satisfied with this selection, then you can always click here, right-click, and then select the polygonal lasso tool. What would it do is, if you zoom in, you can trace that image manually and then remove the background however you like. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.